Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Dr. Robinson again, and we are going to continue our studies. This time we're talking about the area of irregular figures. Here's a video I plan to show my students. So let's get into the steps to find the area of an irregular shape. Step 1, separate the irregular figure into familiar figures. Step 2, find the area of each smaller figure. And then step 3, add to find the total area. So, have a little demonstration here, and we have a square here and a triangle, and we have, it looks like the square and the triangle put together, which is going to be a regular figure. It looks like a trapezoid. So my demonstration, here's my square. Once we find the area of that square, we then are going to add to it the area of this triangle. So once we find the area of the triangle, we're going to then combine those two areas, the area of the triangle plus the area of the square, and that'll give us the area of the irregular figure. So that's what we got to do. So let's take a look at our first example. Find the area of the irregular figure. So here we have, it looks like a square because it's 9 centimeters by 9 centimeters, so we have to find that area. And here we have a triangle on its side, and here we have 6 centimeters. It looks like the height of the triangle. Alright, so first thing we should do, let's find the area of the square. Area formula for a square is side times side, so that'd be 9 times 9, or side squared, which is 81 square centimeters. So we found the area of the square. Now let's take a look at the area of the triangle. Now the triangle, I notice, doesn't have a base because it's base times height divided by 2, or 1/2 base times height. Now I notice the side of the square happens to coincide with the side of the base of the triangle here. So I'm going to tell you that since all the sides of a triangle are the same, then the side of this triangle, or the base of this triangle here, is also going to be 9 centimeters. So I'm going to use my formula for area of a triangle, which is multiply 1/2 times 9 times 6, and that'll give us 27. So the area formula for a triangle, 1/2 base times height, 1/2 of 9 times 6 is 27. So now that we got our two areas of both of these shapes, we can now add them together. So 81 plus 27 will give us 108 square centimeters. And that is the area of this irregular figure. So it looks like a house on its side. So we just found our first irregular figure area. So here's one for you. Find the area of this irregular figure, and it has a lot of dimensions going around. So take it apart and try to find the area. So I would take each piece apart and then find my area. Okay, so find the area of this irregular figure. Good question. Check your answers. If you understand, great. If you're not sure, rewatch the video, see what we did already, and hopefully you'll write down your questions and bring them in and we can answer them for you. Oh, here's another irregular shape. So find the area of the figure below and round off to the nearest hundredth. Now I notice we have a circle, or half a circle here. It looks like a basketball court foul line, and here it's 18 feet, which is the diameter, because we know a diameter cuts a circle in half, and this is half a circle, so that would be the diameter, as well as we have this long rectangular side of the rectangle here, which is 24 feet. So we need to find the area of the rectangle. Once we find its area, we need to find the area of a circle, but cut it in half, because that'll give you half of the circle, because you only need half, not the full circle. So be careful with that. Nice question. Here's another one for you to find the shaded area of the figure to the nearest tenth of an inch. So here we have, it looks like a square because I see only one dimension, so it's 10 inches, so I can assume that all of the sides are equal to 10 inches. Now I notice inside I have, it looks like a half a circle here and a half a circle turned the other way. So that would give us a full circle. So we're looking for the shaded area. So if I were able to find the area of the square and find the area of the circle, take them out, I would be left with the shaded area. So I would take away. This is a very good question. So see if you can figure it out. If you can, great. Bring me the answer in the morning and we'll talk about it in class. So I hope you got something out of the lesson. So please write down your questions. If you need to watch the video again, please do. And hopefully you'll understand. If you don't, bring in your questions. I'll be glad to answer them in the morning. This is Dr. Robinson signing off. Bye-bye.